Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my after shower routine. So a few of you had asked me like how I do the after shower routine. So I thought I'll share it with you guys. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. I have really dry hair and my hair is also super frizzy. So that is my hair type in case you didn't know. I'm not sure if you are someone who has very fine hair will find this video very useful. So this is for all those friends of me who has like super thick and unmanageable frizzy hair. I hope this video helps you guys. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So it's been half an hour since I came out of my shower and my hair is like semi-dry. It is almost like 40% dry and it is still wet inside. So to wash my hair, now I'm currently trying the Vella Clean Scalp Shampoo. So this is how it looks. And for conditioner, I'm using this SP Keratin Restore Mask. This is so far very good and I'm liking it so much. It is making my hair really soft and also controlling a lot of frizz. So if you're looking for a budget option, then I would highly recommend the Mama Earth Argan Hair Mask. That also works very beautifully, and this is pretty expensive but it is so good. It works really well on dry and frizzy hair. So while my hair is wet, I'm going to be applying a serum, and for serum I'm going to be using the Moroccan oil serum. So this is how the packaging looks like, and the serum comes in this bottle. So I have actually transferred the serum from this to this so that it is easier for me to use, and I store this in a dark and cool place. So I store it in some cupboards where there is no exposure to direct sunlight. So if you want, you can actually share it with someone and then get the product, because the product in itself is too expensive. The one main reason why I like this serum is because it doesn't stick your hair to each other, so your scalp doesn't look oily or anything. So even after styling and blow drying, your hair is still like, having the volume and hold to it. So that's why I like the Moroccan oil serum compared to any other serum. I apply the serum on wet hair. I divide my hair into two. So remove the tangles roughly with my fingers. You have to be really gentle with this step because your hair is going to be really brittle and you shouldn't be breaking your hair. And then I take almost 3 pumps, warm the product in my palms and then spreading the serum all over my hair. So I make sure I apply it only on the lower ends and not on my scalp, because I don't want my scalp to be like flat. So further spread the product evenly. I'm going to be combing my hair with this detangler brush. So I have already spoken about this brush in a separate video. Please watch it if you haven't. I will leave it on top or in the description box, and please go and check it out. And the next step, what we are going to be doing is put a heat protectant, because I'm going to be using a hair dryer to dry my hair. So for that, I'm going to be using this Tony&guy Heat Protecting Mist. Again, I'm going to be dividing my hair into two. Spray this all over. So take sections and then spray in all the length of your hair. Do not spray it on your roots. Just spray it on the ends of your hair and just massage it inside the hair. So why I like applying this in wet hair rather than leaving my hair dry is when my hair is wet, the serum as well as the heat protectant is super easy to spread on my hair rather than me doing it when it is all dry. Since I have really dry hair, I prefer doing this so that I get some frizz control and it's easier for me to maintain. Now the next step what I'm going to be doing is to blow dry my hair, and for that I have a recent purchase to show you guys, which is the Dyson Airwrap. So I did not get the complete set, I got the smoothing and frizz control set. So it doesn't come with all the attachments, it comes with So it doesn't come with all the attachments. It comes with a curler, a smoothing brush, and also a hair dryer attachment. So this is how it looks. So I got this on my own money, and this is completely not sponsored. So the reason why I opted for the Dyson Airwrap is my hair is super dry, and I used to use straighteners before to style my hair, and I found out that my hair was damaging a lot, and with all the heat and everything I thought I have to get something which is of less heat. So the maximum temperature of the Dyson is around 150 degrees. So it has a unique technology which will actually style your hair without damaging your hair a lot. So that's why I thought I should give this a shot, and it's been almost 1.5 months since I started using it and I'm loving it so much. My hair is like a lot less damaging, and I used to get like very less split ends compared to what I was using before, because I was using a straightener which was almost 200 degrees for my hair, because that is one temperature where my hair will actually smoothen and straighten. So I had to have like really high temperature to smooth my hair. So I don't have that issue now. I use the maximum heat, which is 150 degree, and my hair is like decent and maintainable, and I'm so loving it. So I'll show you guys how I style my hair right now. So if you want to see a complete review of this product, then I'll shoot another video. Now I'm just showing you how I control the frizz and just do my hair. So I'm going to be using the hair dryer attachment. And this is one very important step that I learned from Vidya Hair and Makeup. That is to actually dry your hair in the same direction where your hair is flowing. So I shouldn't dry my hair by this direction. I should actually keep my hair dryer on top and then dry my hair downwards, so that there is no frizz coming out, and you will actually have a lot of less frizz compared to how you usually have. So you have actually two attachments here. One is for heat control and the other one is for air. And I have kept the air on high and the heat on low. And then I'm going to be using this hair dryer today. And I'm going to be turning this on. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running it through under this section once, and then I'm going to be going on top again like this to get even finish in both the sides. So this is how smooth it has become. So I'll be showing it to you one more time. I'm going to be putting this section on the back, and I'm going to be starting with under this section. So if you take smaller sections, then you can just go with one swipe like this and on top like this. But I have actually taken a big chunky section, so that's why I'm going very slow so that the heat is spreaded evenly and the styling lasts for a longer time. So can you actually see the difference, how smooth this side is and how my natural hair is looking like? So yeah, this is how I do my hair. It also gives you a lot of shine, and I so love this product. I know it is super expensive, but the product is something I'm loving it every time I use. So the more I use it, the more I'm loving it. So if you would like to see a dupe of this product, then please click a link on the top. My friend Tanmay has reviewed the Alan Truman hot brush. I think that is what it's called. I think it's a blow dry brush. So you can go check it out, and if you like it, you can get that. I think both works kinda similar. So I'm loving this so far. So if you can see, you can actually see how shiny my hair is looking after doing this. So now what we are doing with this front section is I'm going to be taking the partition of my hair and I'm going to be doing my straightening in this direction only. Okay, so I'm going to be clipping this away. So this side. So this is how I want my partition to stay. Now for this section, I'm going to be dividing it into two and do this section first. And for this particular section, I want a lot of volume when it is coming this side. So what I do with this section is I style it in this direction and then turn it this side so that I get that lift and volume in the front. And while it is hot, I'm just leaving it like this. And to maintain this lift, I'm going to be pinning this hair like this till the heat in this hair disappears. So when I put it like this, the hair kind of cools down in this voluminous way, and thereby I will have this lift for a very long time, and your hair is less prone to going flat and not give that volume. So this is something I really like. I like that lift in the front. So yeah. So if you notice now, I've done my entire hair in less than 15 minutes now. So this is how my hair looks like. I know it is not that super sleek straight. I'm not fan of that super sleek straight hair anymore. I want my hair to be like smooth and frizz free rather than being like silky straight. So yeah, I really love and enjoy my hair being like this. So yes, this is how I like doing my hair. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you have any video requests, then please let me know in the comments below and I will definitely try to help you guys. Thanks for watching till the end. See you guys very soon in another video. Bye!